Hey there! Welcome back to Monica's Beach Adventures. I'm Monica, your intrepid beach explorer, and today I have a true hidden treasure to share with you. Get ready for an unforgettable beach experience. As I step onto this pristine shoreline, I'm immediately struck by its untouched beauty. The soft sand feels like velvet beneath my feet, and the water is a mesmerizing shade of azure blue. It's the kind of beach that dreams are made of. What sets this beach apart is its sense of seclusion. Surrounded by majestic cliffs and lush vegetation, it feels like a secret paradise tucked away from the world. As I walk along the shore, I can't help but feel a sense of tranquility wash over me, as if I've stumbled upon a well-kept secret. The sound of crashing waves fills the air, creating a symphony of nature's melody. I close my eyes for a moment, letting the rhythm of the ocean soothe my soul. It's moments like these that remind me of the power and beauty of Mother Nature. This beach is a haven for beachcombers and nature enthusiasts alike. The tide washes ashore an array of seashells, each one a tiny treasure waiting to be discovered. Take a leisurely stroll and you'll find delicate sand dollars, intricate starfish, and the occasional elusive conch shell. But the wonders don't end there. Beneath the surface, a vibrant underwater world awaits. Strap on your snorkeling gear and dive into a realm of colorful coral reefs and exotic marine life. Swim alongside schools of tropical fish, spot curious sea turtles, and immerse yourself in the magic of this marine paradise. I can't stress enough the importance of preserving and protecting these precious beach ecosystems. Let's all do our part in keeping them clean and respecting the delicate balance of nature. Together, we can ensure that these beaches remain a haven for generations to come. If you're enjoying this virtual beach adventure, I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel and show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll be joining our community of beach lovers and will be notified when I release new beach escapades. Remember to click the notification bell, so you never miss an update from Monica's Beach Adventures. Together, we'll continue to explore the world's most captivating coastlines and share the beauty of these hidden gems. Thank you for joining me on this incredible beach journey. I hope you found inspiration and a renewed appreciation for the wonders of our natural world. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more amazing beach destinations. Until our next adventure, keep chasing the sun and embracing the magic of the beach.